Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Porsche Cayenne headlights. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You'll need to locate the special headlight removal tool, which is typically found in the trunk of your Cayenne, often near the spare tire. This tool is essential for the next steps, so have it ready. Once you have the tool, identify the small access hole located near the corner of each headlight unit. Now, with the tool in hand, insert it into the access hole. You'll need to turn it approximately 45 degrees in the direction indicated on the panel, usually to loosen the locking mechanism. You should feel and hear the headlight unit unlock. Once unlocked, the headlight will move forward a small amount. Gently slide the assembly forward, then reach behind to disconnect the electrical connector. These clips can be fragile, so proceed with care. After removing the headlight from the vehicle, take it to a clean, soft work surface to prevent scratches. Depending on your Cayenne model, you may need to remove several small torque screws, often T10 or T20 sizes, that secure the lens or bezel. Once the screws are out, carefully work your way around the housing, gently unclipping the tabs that hold the lens in place. Take your time to avoid breaking any plastic components during this process. To reassemble, reverse the disassembly steps, making sure all internal components are correctly seated and all screws and clips are securely fastened. Before pushing the headlight fully back into its bay, reconnect the electrical harness. Ensure the locking mechanism is in the correct position, then slide the headlight back until it clicks into place. Use the special tool to lock it securely by turning it clockwise. Remember to stay hydrated while working. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.